Today we are solving the SQLiLite challenge from PicoCTF, a web vulnerability where SQL injection lets us bypass a login page. The challenge gives us a login form that checks a username and password against a database. If we guess wrong, it fails, but the database query is vulnerable. Under the hood, this runs an SQL query like this. This means it takes our input and inserts it directly into a query, which then injects into SQL. If you head to GitHub and look at the following SQL injection payloads, of which there are many, test some of those in the Pico challenge and see if you can break in. Some will be successful, some will not. The link to this page is in the below description. This payload displayed achieves three things. 1. The speech mark closes the original string. 2. Or 1 is equal to 1, always evaluates true, so that the where clause passes. Finally 3. The double hyphen ends the comment so the password check is ignored. Since 1 is equal to 1 is always true, the login succeeds without a real password. So, back to the CTF challenge, we start up the server and click on the link to the login form. Typing in the original SQL injection payload slowly, so you can see and logging in, look at the message displayed. You are logged in, but you cannot find the flag, even though it's in plain sight? Is it in the code? A quick right mouse click shows you what you need. The flag is displayed. Copy the flag and insert it into the challenge box and you are done. Congratulations, you have solved the SQLi challenge and now have some understanding of the basics of SQL injection. Thanks for joining today. As you work your way through the PicoCTF challenges, you will acquire very valuable knowledge. Like, share, and subscribe to G-Man, you won't regret it. See you next time.